Okay, so we're going to be looking at how to draw logic circuits from their boolean algebra statements. So here I've got not A or B. So I'm going to be using a website called Logically, but obviously you can do this on paper just as easily. It's just that it's very hard for me to draw these on the screen without some help. So first of all, I need an OR gate. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is identify which gates you need. So I need an OR gate and a NOT gate. So I'm going to drag those two out initially. So I've got that and I've got that. Now, before I do anything else, I also need my kind of labels. So I'm going to just kind of add a label. You could just write these on the paper. So I need an A. Just change that. I need an A, and I also need a B. So the next thing really is to put them together. So notice that the NOT is immediately next to the A. So that means the A is going to have the NOT straight afterwards. Then we have got the B, which is effectively here. So that would be like that. And then what we are really saying is not A or B. So I'm going to link the not A into the OR, and then the B would kind of look a bit like that. So that's how you'd answer that one. So you can just draw the answer there. Let's look at the next one. So notice that we have got the exact same variables, got A and B. We've also got the same symbols, not and. Oh, sorry. That's changed, so I'm just going to delete that and put the and in instead. Here it is. So I've got the exact same ones, but this one is going to look very different. Now, first of all, notice that we have got brackets. The brackets are really important because remember, like in maths, we always do whatever's inside the brackets first. Because we always do the things inside brackets first, that means that the and is the first thing we do. So the and comes first. The second thing we do is the not. So my not is going to come afterwards. So I'm going to join those two together, and that's what that one's going to look like. So let's compare the two together. Okay, so I'm just going to copy those labels, just so you can see the difference. Just put those two down here. And then I'm going to add another NOT gate. And I'm going to do another OR gate. So notice that in this one, there is no brackets. So we're going to do the not A first. So that's why my not is right next to the A. And then I'm going to do the OR, which is why the OR comes second. And this one, because I've got brackets, I always do the brackets first. So that's why I've got my and first. And then I do my not second, which is why it comes there. That is a really important tip when actually dealing with these kind of questions. The last question we're going to look at is this third one. We've got three variables. So how do we link these together? Well, I'm going to just change this one to be C. So I've got all three of them now. Just going to move that up here. Get rid of this one. So the same principles apply. So we've got to work out what I'm going to do first. Because there's no brackets, I just do it in order. So it's A or B. So I'm going to copy the OR, and that is going to go next to these guys. So that's my A here, and that's my B there. Then I need to do the and C. So my and comes next. It's the second thing I'm going to have in my diagram. And the C is going to be on that. And then they have to be joined up. So I'm going to take the output of the OR and put it into the and. And the idea is that we do my A or B first, and then I do the and C second. So when you've got three variables, whatever order you would do it in, that's the order you'd expect to find the logic gates. Hopefully, that's made this a bit simpler for you, and you can have a go on your own.